Hey, it's Dustin with StuffDoers. For a limited time, we are providing one free service for new customers. So please go to our website at letusdoyourstuff.com, call us or text us, schedule an appointment. We'll come out and do one free service on the list. And oh, by the way, we also do things like this, where we build racks. It's $20 a bay without a bin, $35 with a bin. We can come out, this thing's solid as a rock attached to the house. I'm gonna build some nice attachments for it, which will come later. So reach out to us. Look us up at letusdoyourstuff.com if you're in the Central Texas area.